Mobility scooters are not only for the elderly. Anyone who needs a helping hand in getting around can benefit from what is essentially a luxury motorized wheelchair. If you're after a new mobility scooter for yourself, stay tuned, as in this video, we'll bring you the 5 best mobility scooters on the market. Whether you need the best of the best or the most affordable option, we have one for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information on the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now, let's start. As first on our list, we have the Buzzaround Extreme 4-wheel travel scooter, which rides extremely smooth because it has comfort suspension springs. This ability allows seniors to drive this scooter just about anywhere without bumping around. It features an LED taillight and headlight. Both are very bright and ideal for seeing well in dark places. Even though a full-size scooter, it maneuvers well in small spaces. Seniors can drive this scooter through most standard doorways without any issues. The battery is a breeze to charge, but it might take a little while if you charge after fully draining the battery. Seniors can customize the color of their scooter. It comes with blue and red shroud panels, and they can switch these out easily. It doesn't require any tools for assembly, and larger seniors can upgrade to a 20-inch seat. Next on the list, we have the Phoenix HD 3-wheel travel scooter, a lightweight scooter ideal for seniors who live busy and active lifestyles. It features 3 wheels for easy turning and maneuverability, making it ideal for small spaces. The scooter's seat is height adjustable and seat widths are available up to 20 inches. It also comes with a basket for seniors to carry essential items. The scooter is easy to transport since it breaks down into 4 pieces. The heaviest of these pieces is just 32 pounds, making it possible for many seniors to lift. The scooter operates using rear-wheel drive. The electromagnetic braking system is generally easy to use for most seniors, and there are 2 batteries that you can charge off-board. At number 3 on the list, we have the eWheels EW36. Equipped with an effective and powerful 500-watt electric motor that rides quietly without disturbing the neighborhood and passers-by, the eWheel EW36 is a powerful scooter. With the 45-degree turning radius, the power wheelchair scooter has been specifically manufactured so that you can maneuver well around public places where there are many obstacles in sight. The eWheels EW36 has taken pride many times over being the fastest mobility scooter within the United States. It can go at top speed as high as 18 miles per hour and can ride for about 45 minutes on one single charge. The scooter also has an anti-theft alarm installed and is also equipped with dual shock absorbers on the frame, as well as being a sturdy, large 3-wheeled scooter in general. Next on the list, we have the Drive Medical Scout Spitfire 4. The Spitfire Scout transportable scooter combines easy and convenient mobility with superior value. The Spitfire Scout is compact, lightweight, and easy to disassemble, perfect for taking wherever you want to go, either around the neighborhood or far from home. It can be disassembled quickly and easily into 5 easy-to-handle pieces for loading into a car, truck, or van and taking shopping or on vacation. The 4-wheel version of the Spitfire Scout allows for enhanced stability on rougher outdoor terrain. The Scout also offers great features like Quick Connect battery pack and a Delta-style tiller to make operating the scooter easy for those with limited strength or dexterity. This model comes with color-through panels to hide scuffs and scratches and black wheel rims. To finish our list, we have the Pride Go-Go Ultra X 4-wheel travel scooter, which is the perfect portable scooter for people who travel often and need a reliable mobility aid. This easy-to-drive 4-wheel scooter has several auto-latching lockup mechanisms that allow the scooter to be disassembled into 5 lightweight pieces in just seconds. The Go-Go Ultra X 4-wheel scooter provides more stability and safety for the rider as they navigate over a variety of terrain. The Delta-style tiller makes it easy for riders with limited strength or dexterity to operate the scooter. Whether you're outside at a family picnic, enjoying a meal at a restaurant, or just need to move from one room to the other, the Go-Go Ultra X 4-wheel will make the world more accessible to riders. There you go, the 5 best mobility scooters available on the market today. We surely hope that this video will help you in deciding which one is best for you. If you find any of the featured products interesting, just click on the link below to get them at their best prices. Please join our growing community by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon for notification. Don't forget to write a comment below if you want a product to be reviewed in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time.